How to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option, and further, tap on the FaceTime option. Now, go ahead and refresh the FaceTime toggle button by disabling and enabling FaceTime toggle button again. Doing this will reconnect and re-authenticate FaceTime on your phone. See if your issue is fixed or not. If not, you can also try using a different email address or phone number to access FaceTime. If doing that too does not fix your issue, then go ahead and make a few changes in General. So in Settings, tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial in maintaining optimal performance. Next, scroll down and tap on the Shutdown button. Restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone fixes the majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And finally, in General itself, scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, this is how you can fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.